The Yoshimura Suzuki Endurance Racing Team lines up for the 2023 Endurance World Championship with their race spec Gsxr 1000R. The bike now sports number 12 on the fairing and gets a deeper metallic red and blue color scheme. The Gsxr 1000R is a reliable and efficient bike that has already shown its capabilities in endurance racing, and for the 2023 year, the bike gets some new parts and minor technical changes. The bike uses a bespoke exhaust system developed by Yoshimura from special materials with high durability and for optimum performance.